What up? Jeff here with all my ICP Renegades. And so today we are a little bit running late just because I had other videos and everything that I was doing, and it just kind of ran into a little bit later. But what we're going to do today is just kind of reflect on the price. We're going to look at the price, and I'm going to give you a price prediction on what's going to happen right now. I'm going to be straight up with you. We're going to look and see where there's money to be made. Now, if you just wrote it down all the way to $4.50, there was a lot of people that had a leverage trade in or a buy order right down at about $4.50. Now, here's a trick that I like to use that's going to help you if you're either doing leverage trading or even just spot trading, picking up ICP for a cheaper price. And what I do is I set, if there's a level of support that's really big, but it's below where we're at. Say we're at like $5. There's a level of support at like $4.80, but then there's one down at $4.50 too. And you know that when you're still up at $5 because, moving averages and all stuff like that, you can look back and see, kind of where it's at. Then what you want to do, if you have a leverage trade, you want to put the liquidation under that, not the support here, but the one way down here, right? And that's how you trade. You want to either trade on a breakout. There's a couple different ways to trade. There's breakout trading where you put a long in as soon as a pattern plays out. Let's say it's like an ascending triangle breakout or a bull flag breakout or an inverse head and shoulder breakout. You put one there. Or even if you're shorting, a head and shoulders pattern, a descending triangle, one of those patterns, you want to do that. But you plan ahead and you know where those next level of support and resistance is. You don't just look at where you are now. You look at above you, where your resistance is, and the one above that, and the one above that, and then you want at least two levels on each side. I would say 2 or 3 levels above you. I would want to know where that resistance, and 2 or 3 levels below you want to know where that support is, so that if we do move past one level, then here's where we're going to go next, and so on and so forth. And so what you do is you put your liquidation price a couple support levels under, like 3 supports under. So if the 1, 2, 3rd support is $4.50, you want to make sure you're at least 2 cents. I would try to go for 3 cents on 2 or 3, maybe 4 cents under that support level. It's like 3 rungs down. Then even if worst case scenario, you break that support level you're at here, and then you go down and you break another support, you're already in a bear market. ICP hasn't been under $4.50, but for 10 weeks. So I educatedly guessed that even if we did have a breakdown, and that's what I was counting on, because it wasn't even breaking down below $4.80 when I put it in there. So then it broke down, then probably around $4.70, $4.80 broke, boom. Then we go all the way down to $4.50. And luckily it held and it didn't wick down. That's the only problem you have. Normally if it wicks, it wicks maybe 1 or 2 cents under the support level, sometimes more depending on the crypto, or less depending on the crypto. And it could wick down to that, but that's what I do. And that's why I was successful. And the same thing if you put a buy order in. I want to just be clear. Because Hank Alicious, one of our new moderators. Oh, we want to say welcome to all of our new moderators. And I don't expect them to be here tonight because that was my mess up. We're going to have, we have, I think, 7 moderators now for the channel. I think even more people wanted to apply. So we're getting back up to our 10 where we were before. And we'll see how many people last for the long term. We've had 3 guys that have been with the channel for well over a year. So thank you all. What's up, Leor Esel? Technical indicators indicate strong sell for all-time levels, sayinginvest.com. Yeah, so I use all of those things and my own judgment to understand where it's going. I never just look at one piece of information. That's another thing. But to finish what I was saying, Hank Alicious put this order in. He had, I think it was for like $4.51. He did go 1 cent, and that's smart, going 1 cent above, that level. But I would put it like 3 or 4 cents. The same with below. When you put that liquidation price, you want to get a couple cents, maybe 3 or 4 cents, maybe even 5 cents below. And then you want to do the same thing on the above side. If you're putting in a buy order at like 3 rungs down, if it does break, break down to that one, then you want to make sure it's like maybe 3, 4, 5 cents above. And then that way you have an area. If it does come down there, you know, you don't get messed over like he did, because he put in one at 451. It went to like 452, 6 or something, or 452, 8. But that was crazy. So yeah, 455 would have been a really, really good buy order. And I would, right now, I would always have a purchase for 455. I would like always a long running purchase for 455, not financial advice, but that's what I would do. I'd just always have it there, because that is the craziest price you can get ICP for. It's only been below that for 10 weeks ever, and it might never again. So that's the way that I look at it. Let's get into some actual charts and stuff. I just wanted to explain that to you, because that might help you in the way that you're trading. And if you want to learn these little simple tricks, like I don't always say them every time, but you're going to want to be a part of the channel, subscribe, you know, like comment, all that good stuff, because it helps to activate the algorithm and get people over here so they learn how to trade. Because I see so many people, you know, like trading and they lose, and then they get discouraged, and you know, or a lot, I've seen it a lot. ICP goes down, like it went down to $4, and then we go all the way back up to like $8. Then we get to about $6, and then, you know, people put purchases in, because we just came from $9, you know, we just came from $9, $8. Why wouldn't I buy at $6, right? And then they're mad because their you know, their average goes up. But if you're buying at $6, it's okay. That's a good price, a really good price. So $6, $5, $4, you dollar cost average. That's why you don't ever put all of your money in the market at once, because the market is always moving. So if you put it all in at once, you're betting on one level. You're betting on this price. This is the price I believe in, the price that it's going to go up from. Well, don't do that. If you separate it, then you get an average price that goes much lower. And if you do somehow, okay, I accidentally put it in for $6, my average moved up to like $5.80 now. Well, it's at like $4.90 now. So if you're buying right now, you're taking that average down with the more purchases you buy under your average price. So if the price is under, your average is $5.80, anything you buy under $5.80 is going to bring your average down to $5.70, $5.60. And then that's how you do it. So never put all your money in the market at once, and never put money in the market that you cannot afford to lose. It's just plain and simple. Currently 479.3, 455. Oh, wait, what just happened? Sorry about that. My camera just died on me. So high was 486. I went in high as 661 and as low as 573. So right now I still have a leverage. Yeah, I still have a leverage trade in, that one that I almost went and I got liquidated. Let me just show you this real quick before we go to the next part. I made a short video about it, but I want to show you on my live stream. I think this is really awesome, because I did what I told you. I put, you know, a level of support, a couple levels underneath, and then I put my liquidation price under that. So I really needed to go higher. I could have broke even. Whoa, we just pumped nice though right now. Look at that pump we just had right there. Let that zoom in. So we're going to be looking at that too. Now this is really cool, because look at this leverage trade now. Oh, got to go down. Dang it, I didn't want to out zoom it. So I am $17 in the loss now. I did break even. And if it goes up to break even again, I might just take this out. But look at that liquidation price. Now it's only 1 cent. The longer that I leave it in there, I guess the higher that liquidation price was, because it was 448 when I first started. Now it's 449. That's getting riskier and riskier the longer you hold this. So we are pumping really, really nice right now. So hopefully that'll bring us, you know, up to 480 breakout, because we did test 480. And then we had a breakdown right there. So let's go into the charts now. I just wanted to show you that you can learn to trade these kind of strategies over here. So I guess I did move the camera because I was trying to, and it messed the system up. It went into shock. Dude, I love these teeth. They just almost don't really look like my teeth though. But I wonder how it looks to somebody who's never seen my normal teeth. Like if it looks good, or does it look like they're a little big for my mouth? I don't know. Okay, let's get into some price stuff, guys. And let me get back on here. Okay, smash that like button for me, guys. We have a few people here. We need to see more likes. So let's get the likes going. All right. ICP. I really hope that we start to recover here because yeah, so we actually just broke down on the week. Oh, no, we didn't. Okay. We just broke down on the week. No, this is weekly. So let's get out of the weekly. I want to look at shorter time frames right now. Really shorter ones. Okay, so this is our 1 hour. Now, this was our high right over here, 485, right? Exact. Dude, that was the support level that I put my leverage trade in that got broke. And now we're just going up to touch it right there. That's crazy. And then kind of went back down. We're starting to recover here. We are going to be testing this EMA 9 at 479. That is, you know, the level we were above, and then we went below there, tested it here, broke above here, stayed above it for a minute, and then we broke back down. So this has been quite the crazy kind of couple hours. You know, we are below the simple moving average on the 1 hour now. So that means we don't have enough volume to keep moving to the upside. So we are above it on the 4 hour though. And we are actually holding strong on the EMA. Is that the EMA 9? Yeah. Well, we're right above there on the EMA 9. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. If we are going to break out, we're going to need to get back above 480, which was our big area. As you see, we broke down over here. So this is what I was talking about with the big 450 level. Only a certain time, you know, like 10 weeks was under $4.50. And people were wondering, well, how did you get that price? Well, as you see right here, this is support going back, right? You see how it wicks down, you know, even went below, but closed above. And then once this broke below and closed below here, this level was support that got broke right here. So this big candle broke this support level right here. And what happens is it takes us down a little bit further, and this becomes a resistance level after that, because it was a big candle that broke it. And as you see, the same thing over here, because you have to get past, it's a either support level and it breaks, or it's a resistance level and it breaks, right? So that's why the same thing at the 450 level, it looks just like this. It has one big candle over here, one big candle over there that broke on the downside, then broke on the upside. But that's what we have over here. We are actually below that right now. So we are going to need to get, that's why I said get back above 480 in order to be bullish. Then we are above that level. That will actually confirm this as support. We are breaking the support right now, but we can still go up and close above that. And that would definitely be good. You know, let's see the momentum. Yeah, we're above the RSI, so we have enough volume on the 4 hour to sustain movement to the upside. Let's go look at volume. I mean, we're looking decent for where we are. I mean, it isn't looking like extreme bullish, but it's looking decent. It's looking, you know, pretty good. Yeah, so we have no volume. If we could pick up volume, we could easily go to $5. So I think, you know, the people, the whales are being strategic right now. They don't see any point in putting a lot of volume in. Say they push it right now. Say they put 50 mil in volume right now. Okay, this goes up to 67 million. We go up to about 520, maybe 520, right? Then they have to continue that volume. But what if the market isn't doing anything and going down? That's just going to bring us right back down to 480. All that money they put in the market is not worth it, you know, or they can save it and put it in when we actually have a movement, the market starts to recover, and then ICP can actually make a pump to $6 and further. So right now, the whales are the most strategic. They understand, probably even a little bit better than I do, how the market moves and how it works and when to put money in and why you wouldn't. And right now, there's not a lot of volume. The market's not recovering like in a major way. We're not seeing like 50% pumps on crypto. So right now, we're just kind of hoping to get enough volume just to get us above this level. I should have took it out. Looking back on everything here, I was so busy today that I wasn't able to take it out. I should have taken it out up here. I got lucky on the liquidation. It came back, all the way up past my liquidation, past my entry point to 487 right here. And boom, we went back down. So that's okay. I just, work comes first. So, oh well, it is what it is. So let's look at a different time frame. I want to see the hour or the daily. If the daily is above the RSI, then we're going to be good. Then we probably will get above 480 again. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so we are at 39. Yes, dude, that makes me so happy. You don't understand what this means. Well, you probably do because you watch my channel. That means that we have enough volume to go to 480. It doesn't mean it's going to. It just means if it wanted to, it could do it. It could go to 480. Easy. No problem. Not a lot though. I mean, we're less than a full point away. Oh no, we're more than a full point. We're 1.1 above it. It just looks a lot closer than that. That's not bad. I mean, it's not a breakout until we get 2 points above it though. So right now we're still testing this support right now. So once we get about 2 points above this, then we're going to be good. That could be, bullish. So we do have resistance here at about 482 on the daily. So that's good. The EMA 9, you got to start somewhere. You got to get above the EMA 9 before you go to the 21, the 50, boom. And right now we are doing good. So I really think that everything is looking like we could recover, but there's no definites here. But I'm going to tell you what could happen if it goes up and what could happen if it goes down. And we will kind of go from there. This is the most important one, though. And we are still below it. I think we're a little more than 2 points still. And that is the most worrisome part. I told you guys. I have been telling you for the last 6 months. Can you see me while I'm here? Kind of. Okay. Oh, my God. Yuck. I didn't even share my screen with you. No wonder there's no one here. Oh my God, dude. It's one of those days. Dang it. I'm sorry, guys. I hate it when I do that. It's so annoying because you can't see on the other screen that it's happening. Like when I'm on the other screen, I don't know that that's happening. All right, let's just go show you real quick. We are below this level right here. We are below the weekly RSI, more than 2 points. We're at 42.59 and it's at 44.73. I told you guys, if you want to go look at my videos the last couple of months, I told you whenever this RSI is below this line right here, then we are definitely going to be bearish. And we are testing it right now though. I don't know if I can say that this is a full breakdown. Like 2 points though, we did have a breakdown. So we did. But how far is that breakdown going to continue? This is an area like a big breakout area. So we could really go, back down to 450 even. Look at the weekly. We've already been down to 450, which look at this big candle over here, right? On the weekly. So we went down about 3/4 of the way through that candle and then back all the way up. So I don't see us going back down. I think this, just like I said, we were going to wick down. I said that if we go to 450, we're going to wick down. And that's exactly what happened, guys. I'm giving you good information. I'm sorry I didn't show you my screen a minute ago, but if you watch my channel, guys, I am giving you fire technical. Like I'm happy with my technical analysis now. Like before, I was worried about telling you guys, TA, because I wasn't that great at it. And now, like I still don't, do a lot of, gosh, now I can't even remember it, like ABCD corrective waves or Wyckoff accumulation. But this does look kind of like a double top right here as well. But it's kind of wonky. Yeah, this does. It definitely looks like a head and shoulders pattern. I don't know how I missed that, but this definitely looked like a head and shoulders pattern that broke down, because that's what happened. If you look right here, you have one head, and then this neckline right here. Actually, I'd even say it's right here at $5, exactly $5. So if we broke 5, we go to 480. We break 480, we go to 450. Boom. And when I say 450 or 480, I don't mean exactly $4.80. I just mean right around there. If it goes to like 475, that's a breakout of 480 or 470, but sometimes it wicks down to 470, goes back up and closes above 480, and then it doesn't break that level. The only way it breaks the level if it actually goes down below 480 to 470 and closes below it. That's how you know. So if you just see it at 470, you're like, I thought, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is going to break that 480 level. That just means that it's wicking down there. But if it closes 10, cents below a support level, that is a definite breakdown. So that's how you know. I'm just trying to give you guys, some understanding. This is more of a teaching TA, so it doesn't really even matter if you didn't see too much. But I'm trying to show you, whenever this RSI on the weekly, you can go look at yourself. Tradingview.com ICP. It's free to sign up for an account. Come look over here. Look at the weekly. All you have to do is go to the indicators, type in RSI right here, and then it will come up on the weekly. Make sure you go to the weekly chart right here. And then boom, you can pull this up. You can look at this whenever it breaks out above there. I would be definitely buying like a lot. And that's when you're going to see these whales start to accumulate a lot more ICP, because they understand what this RSI means right here. It means there's no really point to buy, because even if they put a lot of money in, we're still far below that RSI, and it's not really going to pump the market that much. They're going to wait until the market starts to move. They can make a lot of money, when the market pumps. So that's all we're waiting on right now. It's kind of a waiting game right now. We're just going to do a lot of sideways action. I do want to show you these small time frames like I was earlier, but you weren't on here. I just want you to see what I'm talking about a little bit. These levels, let's see, the 1 hour. Okay. So these levels, if we make it a little bigger over here, you can see. So this level is a breakout, you see, and then it acts as a support level. How do you know where the breakout point is on a candle? Well, as you see, this right here is the breakout point, because it goes down and it touches support right here. It goes down and touches support right here. It goes down and touches support right here, right here, right here. You see what I'm saying? So there's a lot of levels of, where it doesn't go below this part of the candle, right? All of these stop right there. So this is the breakout point at 475 right here. And now that's the support level, which is kind of, I would say, pretty good, because we have resistance at 480, which is weird because this is a resistance level right here. And as you see, because look at that part of the candle, see, this is resistance and breakdown, break up. You see that? See how it's resistance, break up, see that, breakdown, support, breakdown. And now we're going up to test it as resistance again, but we got to get above the EMA 9 first at 479. So, and on the hour, we are, we are below on the hour. We are about 3.5, 4 points on the hour, but on the 4 hour, we are above that. That's what I wanted to show you as well. We're above on the RSI, which means on the 4 hour, we have enough volume to continue. And I was going to show you again with this breakdown. People are wondering, why 450? How do you say that's the level of major support? Well, we were only under it for 10 weeks and there was massive support. It's just kind of the same thing. This isn't the 450 level. I'm just saying it's the same thing. And then when this support level breaks, see, it went down, but it went and closed above, so it didn't break. Like I was saying before, when it goes below, it's okay if it goes back up and closes. It closes where the candle bar bottom stops. Okay, and then when we break down here, we get to this support level and it breaks. Then it closes right here. See, this one broke and closed up here, so it didn't break that support level, but it tested it and helped this one break it. Then we get out over here, see how we kind of go up and test this as resistance a little bit right here. Normally it will go up, but then you see that level again is the breakout. Well, how do you know that's a breakout? Well, it was support over here and it's support over here now. Well, we broke down from that level, boom, and you see this level again. Once that level breaks and closes below it, we go below it. See, they wick down, nothing. Wick down, nothing. Wick down, nothing. Close, boom. So I think that's pretty good information, for today. And so where are we at with ICP though? Okay. Well, we are in a massive falling wedge. That's why you keep seeing it kind of curl over, and we're kind of curling over again. So we're going to have sideways action, in my opinion. I believe if we can break 480 again, we're probably not going to make it above 5. We're probably going to sit around $5, 520, 480, 5. Until we can finally get a breakout with Bitcoin or the market recovers or we get some good news or something. If we do break down, we're going to be breaking this EMA 9 right here. Then we're probably going to about 470. We have support. And then if that breaks down, 470. Then 466 is another level of support. And then, 460. And then if we could see it wick down to even 450 again. So that's a definite possibility of it, breaking this at 473, then, breaking more support over here. And there's a lot of little supports. So that's why I also put that at 4, that liquidation price so low at 449, because there's so much support here and it's only been below that level for such a short amount of time, guys. So I'm sorry I didn't look at the chat as much today. I will get on track. We're going to be doing our videos normally again. I'm not going to be late or anything. So this week we're just, kind of getting things in order. Next, we got some good things planned though. We're going to have Slafen come over here from Boxy Dude. Cannot wait. Great guy, to talk about the Box token, Boxy Dude, maybe do a giveaway, hook people up with some NFTs, get our new moderators set up this weekend. So we'll definitely have people here. And if this, you can't see, the chart one time, they'll let me know on the phone. I think Justin was probably yep, he did. He told me and I wasn't looking. So, but yeah, so we'll definitely have a lot of cool stuff. We're going to be doing Twitter spaces. If we can get, other NFT projects, I think we have another Twitter space coming up with, who is it? Let me remember now. Who is my next Twitter space with? I can't even remember the Twitter space right now. Dang it. Hold on, let me look at my Twitter. Sorry, I have so many projects going on right now and like collaborations. I'm just trying to keep them all together. Okay, so okay, well, I know I'm making an attendees video. I'm going to be doing an attendees video. Oh, I was going to be working with ICP World, which is, I can't. Oh, Aratosh, the guy who does my ICP logo. So yeah, I was trying to get him on for ICP World before the launch pad was over, but we kind of missed that. I didn't know that the launch pad was ending. I was going to have him on the channel. I think he would have to have one of his team come on, but that would be cool. So if any ICP developers are watching right now, NFT projects, ICP tokens, I would love to have you guys on the channel. I know some of you guys watch my stuff. I would love to have you on here. We can, do some preset questions, a giveaway, have it fun, have people come interact with us and just have a blast, guys. So I hope everybody's having a great time in the chat. Leroy, my guy, big ICP event in Paris to help F is good news. Yeah, so July 17th through 20 in Paris, France for the ETH Community Conference is huge news. So that's pretty big. ICP will appear at the ETH community event in Paris. And Dominic Williams has also just been to, I think it was EdCon, and spoke there. I think they're going to have some videos coming out of that. Definitely go check out my Twitter, Bitcoin Renegade. Let me throw up my banner real quick so that you can go and join our contest. Go create a me wallet over on Twitter, a me wallet, and enter our contest. You can win 20,000 CKBTC Satoshis, and we are possibly giving away up to 25 ICP if we get over 500 people to create a wallet. That's all you got to do. It's free. You create an ICP wallet, you enter the contest, follow the task like retweeting that. It's pretty simple. Takes 1 minute to do it all, and then boom, you could win, possibly up to, you know, your share of $125. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Where is? Oh, I think I got rid of it. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to create it. So at Bitcoin R3 Renegade. You know what? R3 Renegade. Yeah. Okay. Add banner. There we go. Bitcoin Renegade. That's my Twitter handle. So go over there, and in the pinned post, that's where the me wallet is, guys. I'm going to say that at the beginning of my next live stream because I don't know if everybody stayed to the end, but if you did, go create a me wallet. Go definitely check out EdCon. Go look at Definity on Twitter. They're the ones who run all the ICP stuff. They're always having cool stuff. Go join my open chat group for an ICP gift. Go join my Hot or Not for more TikTok type of content and much more. All right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bang!